What's good, TNT gang? It's your boys Tony B and
Todd Burnett.
Yeah, the Roblox Ninja. Today we're gonna work on the C10 again. Today we're gonna do a little body work. What we're gonna do, we're gonna sand a little bit down, maybe put a little bondo on it, man, because I'm tired of looking at it having multiple colors. We're gonna try to see if we can get it as straight as possible. I did a little bit of stuff off camera because I know y'all don't want to see a whole video while I'm just sanding and all that kind of stuff.
Nope.
But I'm gonna show him a couple techniques that I know. I don't know everything. Like I said before, y'all learning along with me. So yeah, let's stop talking. Let's get into the video. Let's get to work, y'all. Let's get to work. And I want you to go like this. Just go side to side, side to side, okay? Do the whole pound.
My man.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, I got a quarter. Where you at? Oh, shit.
Right here. I'm right here.
I got a quarter watermelon. I can't fit in the fridge. Let me give it to you.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Think twice before you answer. Think twice before you say yes.
Okay, man. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah!
Thanks, my man.
I just bought it. I was like, hey, thinking I got space.
Yeah, he love it, man.
Lord have mercy.
And so he'll really tear it up.
All you got to do with it is pick it up like this here. Look here, just pick it up like this here.
Appreciate it. Thanks, man. All right, man. Bye-bye.
Wow.
We got the best neighbors. Walla, man.
I really like one.
I know you do. I know you ready to go in there and eat it. Bruh. Whoo. I was asking for this heat, and now that I got it, you can have it back. Man. And I see why them paint shops be charging the grip, bruh. This paint and stuff ain't no joke.
Oh, poor baby.
Bruh. Let me show you what I got so far. Oh, all right, the hood pretty much. It's good because, you know, when I first got it, this is a brand new hood. If you don't know, this is a brand new hood. So when I first got it, I pretty much primed it where I want it to be. And it's as straight as it's gonna be. Down here, still gotta put some filler on that because this old bondo, I gotta still sand out of that mug. Right here, I got most of the old bondo out that I let sit outside and not sand it down. I got most of that off. That's smooth. I got this door pretty much sand down, 400 grit. Right here, ooh, y'all see I got it all the way down to the metal, so you know what I'm saying. That means something's coming up for that. If you square bodies, y'all know about that. But I got a dent right here. I made sure I circled. Pretty good dent. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. You know, because the glass is back there. I don't know if I can try to pop that out or whatever. Because I really don't want to put too much body filler on it. Even though, you know what I'm saying, this is just a budget truck anyway. Y'all see up here, I grinded it down to the metal. Still got a little bit more grinding to do, but y'all know something coming up with that. Like back here, I showed y'all my idiotic self. What I did when I first got the truck, I sanded some of the rust spots down and tried to even it out. I put the rust converter on there and I forgot to prime it and I just let it sit outside, man. So all it did was just create more rust and it was bubbling up. So I gotta make sure I get that all the way down to the metal. I grinded some of it down. See up here, I still gotta, that's just surface rust. That's easy to come out. Down here, I found that a dude, he, I guess he filled it up pretty good with bondo. I knocked all that bondo out. I'm gonna try to see if I can push this out some way, somehow. You know, a little bit better than that. I'm gonna still glaze it over with some bondo or filler. Bondo is just a brand name. If y'all don't know, you know, bondo gets a bad rap. You know, all it is a brand, but every body shop use filler. You know what I'm saying? Unless you just some kind of metal magic genie or something like that. But
look
you
at
know,
this
everybody
dude.
use bondo or body filler. Up here, I'm gonna probably, you know, skim it with some bondo up here just to get this straight. I know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might just go ahead and put the rails, the chrome rails back up here, because I know that's what was on here. I don't know what the heck this man did right here. That man was drilling holes like crazy. And back here, I took the chrome piece off. It's all dented up, man. It is what it is. Woo, especially right there. That's a real bad dent right here. Dent it down. I'm gonna probably, yeah, I'm gonna try to play with it for a little bit, man. But I cut the video back on when I get everything sanded and I'm ready to hit it with the 2-in-1 primer. And then after that, we'll leave it alone and work on something else. Cause I'm about to have it with this body work, bro. Whew. And I got a whole nother side to go. Lord have mercy. All right, guys, that's it for me today. As y'all can see, I done got cleaned up and everything. I shot the primer. Now all I gotta do is block sand it. I didn't get it all the way done, but you know, as y'all know, man, body work takes a long time. I wanna get this video out for you guys as quick as possible. So, you know, as y'all can see, I got some work done. Next time, y'all ain't gonna see all the body work. Next time, y'all gonna see me, you know, starting to get everything ready to paint.
My man.
So I know y'all gonna be excited for that. Also, let me show y'all something I did too. Well, y'all, let me see if I can get it. One moment. I didn't tell y'all this, but I was having problems with my oil pressure gauge, so I went on and put the stock sensor back there in the back, and because I actually cross-threaded the aftermarket gauge I got in there, and as y'all know, over time after the heat cycles, it got worse and worse, and it started leaking a little bit of oil. As y'all know, boy, your boy be tearing up stuff.
Accurate.
I went on to put the stock one back in there, hook that up. All I'm gonna have is the little light. I ain't gonna have the pressure gauge until I can get another one of those fittings. But ain't no big deal. I already know that it has good oil pressure, so that's no big deal. Also, I retorqued the transmission bolt pans.
Perfect.
Oh man, come on, not bolt pans. The transmission pan bolts. Yeah, I retorqued those, and it looked like it stopped the leak. So we'll see what happened. I don't know what happened, but I did retorque it after it went through the heat cycle. So I don't know, man. We'll see. Knowing me and my luck, he'll come back, but it's all good. But hey, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Once again, hit that like button. Also, go down in the comment section, let me know if y'all like the videos or not. You know what I'm saying? So I can swap it up a little bit if I got to. But hey, this is how I like to do it, man. I like to put a little comedy with, the little car related stuff that I like to do, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, and I got Taj in the video today. He didn't stay long, but I don't blame him. Doing his body work ain't fun. So, we're gonna definitely get him in some more videos. I gotta teach him what a transmission does, how a charging system go, all that kind of stuff, man, because he's real intuitive, man, when it comes to that type of stuff. So, he just want to know a little bit of everything, or he just want to be out here with his daddy. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But hey, I appreciate y'all once again for watching the video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!
I know y'all saying this and that. Look at this fool. Got this watermelon here. Like accent. Just pick it up like this, yeah? I mean, that's despicable.